Under the hood, the Citroen C5X boasts a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It generates a solid 180 horsepower and 191 pound-feet of torque. This engine pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission, driving the front wheels. The C5X offers dependable performance, making it suitable for both city and highway driving. In the fuel economy department, the C5X posts respectable numbers. The Environmental Protection Agency estimates it at 24 mpg for city driving and 30 mpg on the highway. These figures indicate that the car is fairly fuel efficient, which is beneficial for budget-conscious consumers. The C5X has generous dimensions, providing a spacious interior. It is 187.3 inches long, 72.4 inches wide, and 66.1 inches tall. With a wheelbase of 112.2 inches, it ensures enough room inside for passengers to sit comfortably. The curb weight of 3,647 pounds contributes to a steady ride without compromising agility. On the outside, the C5X has a modern and eye-catching design. The sloping roofline, large grille, and sleek headlights make for an appealing exterior. Buyers have the option to choose from several colors, such as pearl white, platinum gray, and deep blue. The vehicle comes equipped with an impressive set of features. The 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensures that drivers and passengers remain entertained and connected. The car also features a 12-speaker sound system for an immersive audio experience. A panoramic sunroof and hands-free power tailgate add to the convenience. Safety is a priority in the C5X, with several features included as standard. Among these are forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. These features help in preventing accidents and ensuring the well-being of occupants. Additional safety options are available for those looking for even more protection. These include adaptive cruise control, which is useful for maintaining a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, as well as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. These added features can be invaluable in busy traffic conditions. The starting price of the C5X is $32,995. Considering the range of features and capabilities, this price is competitive. It presents a good option for those seeking a combination of performance, comfort, and modern features without breaking the bank. Inside, the C5X excels in comfort. The front and rear seats are comfortable, and there's ample legroom and headroom. For those who need cargo space, the C5X offers 39.1 cubic feet behind the rear seats, and this increases to 72.3 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded. With options like cloth, leather, and Alcantara for the interior finish, passengers can enjoy a touch of luxury. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.